Hello everyone. Have you ever heard the movie Musang Berjanggut by our renowned artist, the late Tan Sri P. Ramlee? Let's watch this movie.
Ucapkanlah sedikit beras, gula, garam, cili, dan serba sedikit bahan dapur ya, Mas.
Mengapa kamu campur barang-barang ini?
Siapkan makanan untuk Tengku Nila. Tentang makanan janganlah disusahkan. Apa boleh buat Tengku hajat?
Uncang apa itu, Mak? Uncang bekaran yang Kunila. Disuruh kita masakkan. Itu yang Kunila. Puspa, agaknya yang kau bawa balik ni anak raja gila tak? Sudah, biar Mak kembali. Nanti, Mak. Mak, biar Puspa asingkan barang. Sudah, Puspa. Jangan. Kita masak, Mak, ya. Kita masak. Silakan santap, Engku Nila.
Terima kasih.
Silakan, Pak. Kenapa Bapak tercengang?
Luar biasa betul masakan kau malam ini, Puspa. Dari mana kau dapat rempah-rempah ini?
Dari uncang Kunila.
Dari uncang hamba?
Ya.
Today we are going to study about mixture and compounds. There are two learning standards we are going to achieve. Firstly, students must know how to communicate about example of mixture in daily life. Secondly, they need to learn on how to differentiate between mixture and compounds. Before we start, please recall what is a compound. Alright class, do you like eating banana cake? Can you suggest what ingredients should be used to make a banana cake? This is an example of banana cake recipe. Is banana cake a compound? Welcome back. You are going to continue with very fun activities to differentiate between mixture and compounds. Hi everyone. See, now I have plenty of substances in our daily life. So, how are we going to classify them into elements, mixture and compounds? I would like to introduce you about the substances over here. Okay, this is cooking oil, toilet rolls, mineral water, baking powder, Malaysians' favorite food, my favorite food, bubur cha-cha. We have tea leaf, we have salts, brown sugar, stones, and the iron coins, copper, and this will be the bronze medal, stainless steel spoon, toothpaste, toothpick, charcoal, beans, and lastly this is the aluminium foil. Welcome back to this activity. So in this activity, we are going to use the recycled, colorful bottle caps to construct model of element, mixture and compounds. Let's start with the elements. You can use any color of the bottle caps to represent the elements. So let's say we use the purple color. Elements contains only one type of atoms, or might be it have two atoms but with the same element. Maybe I have another one here. Okay, so this is the model of elements. Next, we are going to try with the compound. For example, we have water. The water molecule is H2O. Atom oxygen, hydrogen, H2O. And we have carbon dioxide, carbon, oxygen, and oxygen. Another gas, we have ammonia, which is NH3. So these are the example of compounds. Do you notice that each molecule have more than one type of element? Lastly, we are going to do for the mixture. In the mixture, it might be contains the elements or maybe the compounds. For example, we have the purple color represent might be is carbon, and another carbon over here, and might be we have the water molecule, water molecule, and might be we have other compounds, which is like this. So this is called the mixture. Okay, this is our end of the session. So we have constructed just now about the model of elements, model of compound, and this is model of mixture. Hope you enjoy the lesson. Welcome back. You are going to continue with very fun activities to differentiate between mixture and compounds. Now, we are going to see, can we change the compound become the mixture? So over here, we have some example of compounds. Red bean and water. What happens if I pour the water in the red bean? So now it becomes mixture. What is the difference between the mixture and compound? For example, water. Water is a compound because we cannot separate the elements in the water such as oxygen and hydrogen using the physical method. But what happened to the mixture of water and red beans? We can separate them by using physical method. Okay, the method that we are going to use is filtration. You can find this filter corner at home. Just pour it here. Ta-da-da! You're already successful to separate the red beans and water. This is called filtration. So another. So another example, we have water and the cooking oil. What will happen if we pour either water in the oil or oil in the water? Let's do this. Okay, you can shake. Then, so you can see obviously water and oil will not mix together. They are immiscibles. So how are we going to separate them? For example, in our real life activity, what happens if the oil spill on the sea? How we are going to separate the oil from the sea water? So this is another way. You can do it at home. I just use the recycled mineral water bottles, and here you put some hole. Let's put it here. Okay, so over here you can see the level of oil is float on the surface of water. Do you know why? It is because of the density, and they mix together. They are not mixables. So after the end, you can separate the water with the oil. Actually, you have a specific apparatus that's called separation filter. But at home, if you don't have, you can use the mineral water bottles. Okay, you can see almost if the water release, you can remove it. Okay, you can see the flow of oil is slower than water. So finally, we can separate the oil and water. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Finally, we are at the end of our lesson. Now, we know that many of our daily life ingredients are made out of elements, mixture and compound. And we know that mixture and compound can be differentiated.